Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm heading over to my younger sister's house to visit my new niece. I'm also taking some clothes to a donation bin because I did a big declutter of things because with the divorce I did lose some weight, which a lot of you noticed in the comments. So I've had to kind of really empty out my closet, which was actually really therapeutic. I'm really glad that I did that. And I'm sorry if I'm extra sniffly. I have been hit this morning with allergies and I don't know where it's come from. I haven't felt this way in a while. So yeah, not sure what that's about. I'm actually not sure what the rest of the day is going to look like. So I'm just going to let the day unfold as it will and insert in here clips of what actually happened. And hopefully it's good stuff. So I actually need to get going because I need to be over there in an hour from now. And it's a long drive up to where my sister is. Not because she's physically far. The traffic here in the Greater Toronto area is so bad, especially in the morning, particularly around rush hour times. You sit in traffic for a while, just, you know, plug in your favorite audiobook, put on your favorite tunes, have a car concert. That's really what I do. I don't stress about it too much. I've kind of accepted that into my life. But going town to town can be quite a journey, even if those towns are pretty close. Even so, I am so happy to be here. I woke up this morning with the most beautiful sunrise. The skies are clear. The day is looking amazing. So let's get out there and experience the day. Also, I want to personally apologize to the very many people that are angry at me for throwing out that orchid. Because of my inexperience, I did not realize that that beautiful orchid, even though it was shriveling up and appearing to be dying, it was actually still very much alive. I'm so sorry. I feel really terrible about throwing that plant out. But thank you to everyone in the comments who gave me such amazing suggestions that I will carry with me for the next orchid, because unfortunately that plant is no longer in this condo. I did throw it out, but I promise you it will not be my last orchid, okay? Because you guys took the time to give me your tips and your tricks and wise wisdom about orchid care. I want to apply that to the next one. Again, thank you. And I love all of your suggestions, by the way. If there's anything in this video that I'm doing wrong or incorrectly, which speaking of which, there's things about the mud bin printer that I probably did incorrectly as well. So I'm going to revisit that on top of everything. Please, let me know in the comments. I am open to suggestions and I love engaging with you guys. So don't hesitate. Don't be nice, just tell me everything. I want to improve as a person, and a part of that is being open to feedback. And yeah, that's how we grow. All right, so by my sister's house, there's a value village and it's pretty big and it had some pretty good stuff. For example, it had these stocking hangers, which I saw right away, and I would have gotten them. They looked intriguing, but they didn't have any matching ones. I needed 2 of them. And the ones behind that one that I was looking at were broken. I know at first glance this can look junky, but you can find some cool things like this Christmas topper. This is actually the prettiest topper that I've seen when I've gone Christmas thrifting before in the past. This is the kind of topper that I've always been on the lookout for, so I was so glad to have gotten it. And then also there is a good selection of ornaments for mostly everyone's decor style. And I found the color scheme that I was looking for. I just really wanted just some simple ornaments, and these silver and gold ones were perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. And I'm so glad to have found these stocking hangers. These were exactly what I was envisioning. Something simple, something minimalistic, but also rustic and very clean looking. So I grabbed both of them, the snowflake one and the snowman one. And with my haul, I headed home, and it was such a beautiful sunset. Do you see that giant moon over there? We've had some pretty amazing super moons lately. There are times I just stand around and look out my window, staring at the view, because I can't believe how beautiful it is. Are you kidding me? It almost doesn't even look real. Wow, I'm so lucky. I have my thrift haul right here of some really cool Christmas stuff. I have a Salvation Army in my neighborhood, which I still want to check out, but the place that I went to was right near my sister's, so I thought I might as well take a look and see. So let me show you what I got. Show and tell time. First thing was a topper for the tree, and bonus that it comes with a little battery pack. I'm now wondering if I'm able to hide this battery pack. Tree's a little sparse, but will I be able to do that? We'll see. Look, it lights up. Can you see? I love that it lights up. I hope I'm able to get it on top of the tree, okay? We shall see about that. Let's put it right over here. It's part of my background. I got some ornaments in a silver and gold motif, which is exactly what I wanted. This isn't really a Christmas thing, it's something that I've been wanting to get. I got some espresso cups because I have the Nespresso now, such good coffee, but I have some pods that only fill a little bit, and the current cups that I have are a little big. So I got these guys, and what drew me to them was the fact that they were a good quality vintage brand from Poland. I'm trying to be very careful here. I love finding things like this in thrift stores, but look at these beautiful espresso cups with the gold detailing on the edge. I believe the brand is called, I'm gonna butcher this really badly. I believe the brand is called it's Wawel. That's how it's phonetically spelled out, but oh, these are so cool. Here's the mark at the bottom of the plate for those who recognize it. But these cups are just so adorable. I have a chip in this one, that's sad, but that's okay. I'll just drink it from the other side. Both of these little espresso cups, $3.99 Canadian. Such a good deal. And they're so cute. Love them. Oh, there goes my topper. Still recording? Yep. This was a really, really cool find. As you guys know, I have those cool stockings that I got from Michaels, and I needed some stocking hangers, and I found these really cool wooden and metal ones. I just love how simple and rustic these guys look, and they should go with any kind of decor. And they're heavy too. They're pretty hefty. You want your stocking hanger to have some weight on it, obviously, so that it's able to hold up that that stocking and the contents inside of it. But I just love how cute this is. Just, yeah, perfect. I love it. Put you guys over here. Is that big? Yeah, that was that big. Next, oh, and these were $3.49 each Canadian. Next, I got these fake pillar candles, which I plan on putting in the front entryway where those candlesticks are. I did put real candles on top of there, but then I was thinking that's risky. I don't want to knock those over because those candles are made out of glass. So, and these light up as well. Let me put some batteries in here. And if you're getting things that use batteries or plug in to an outlet, if you're getting anything electrical, be sure to test them out before you buy them from any thrift store because they might not be working. And I think you can do exchanges, but it's still just a bother to have to do that. It's flickering. It's a flickering candle. Put you over here. And then this guy too. I think they're the same candle, just one has packaging and one does not. Can you see them flickering? It's gonna look so pretty in my entryway. Just like flickering candles. And then I got these outdoor lights for my balcony. Let's see if I can plug these into somewhere. I also tested these before I bought them. And these work. They're kind of both a yellow and a cool tone light. But I think on my balcony it's just gonna look so pretty and twinkly. The next items are not exactly Christmas things, but they were something that I needed because I wanted to put my keys and other little catch-all things when I'm walking in the door. I don't really have a place to put them. I have hooks that I've been hanging my keys and my sunglasses on, but I didn't really like that solution, so I decided to get these really cool looking glass pieces that have a bit of a green tinge to them. They're gonna sit on the table in the front console, and then you can put keys in here, sunglasses in here, anything you want in here, maybe some loose change. And it's glass that you got from the thrift store, so I'm not too concerned about scratching it. And they have this vintage cool vibe about them, and I'm just realizing now that these match my shirt. I don't know if you can tell, I'm pretty big on green. So that was pretty much my haul from the thrift store today. All of this was about $51 Canadian, which is excellent. And if you go to Value Village, they were giving away coupons to people who were donating stuff, which I was actually there to donate a few things. Once I dropped off my donation, they handed me a 20% off coupon, so this is even cheaper. I am so pleased with this. One thing that I still need to get, I think, are some fun Santas, like figurines, maybe some more lights. I would really love a wreath and a wreath holder for my front door, the inside of it, not the outside of it. But other than that, I'm pretty good with my decorations. In tomorrow's vlog, I'm going to dress the tree up with my decorations. Gonna decorate the balcony and put my topper on the tree. But for now, the sun is getting low. It's turning into a nice, beautiful sunset out there. So I think I'm gonna wrap up. I need to start editing my video to get it up by tonight. Thank you so much for choosing to watch my Vlogmas video and all the other Vlogmas videos. I think so far, this has been the best start to any of the Vlogmases that I've done in previous years. And the fact that I was away for so long, it really means a lot to me that you guys are really vibing with the new energy of this channel and this new chapter that I'm in. So thank you, I appreciate all of you guys, and I'm trying my best to reply to all of your messages and all of your comments. That comment section is just full of amazing stories and so many good suggestions. So if you guys are bored, go down there and check it out. And if there's any questions that you know the answer to, feel free to answer them. But that is today's video. Until the next one, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.